So hello everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. So why are we looking at the countertop again? What is going on? Well, today's project is going to be like a little shelf. And I'll explain it to you. We'll hand this over to cameraman Phil. And so what we're going to do, this here is 2 feet by 4 feet. And it's kind of a little bit overcrowded. We want to be able to get some of this stuff up out of the way. But it's given me a whole lot of room in my kitchen, and I'm thankful for that. I can actually cook in a pleasant way in my kitchen a little bit. But we're going to make a shelf. Come up like this, across, and back down. So we're going to make it 2 foot high and 1 foot out, because this is 2 feet deep to the wall. So 1 foot out, 2 foot high, probably 2 feet across, and then of course another 2 feet down. And then we're just gonna mount it, because this is pretty slick. So we're gonna mount it, and it's gonna stay there. I don't, want anything to fall off of it. It's only gonna be 1 foot wide. And then it's gonna have some non-slip shelf liner on the top, so we don't have to worry about that. We're not going to worry about putting any tiles down on it. We're just going to put that non-slip on it. That could be good enough. So we're going to go outside and get started on our little project. We got to get this plywood out. So we'll have to put the camera down and get the plywood out. It's back there behind all that, as you can see. So we're going to get that out. Alright, so we're going to carry the plywood down. Don't need a lot of tools, it's pretty straightforward. And Mr. Phil needs to get this other stuff out of the car. He's got the keys, so we're going to have to let him unlock it. I know what you doing with my keys, 'cause you ain't driving my Mercedes nowhere, buddy.
I know what I do with your keys. No, you got them.
I don't have them, I give them to you.
I know you did, I thought I gave them back to you.
Unless you laid them down up there.
You know what? I had to.
Got them?
No. No. Yeah,
Must have laid them down up there, buddy.
Sure did. I had to.
So yeah, crystal ball is come through, but we're still catching the tail end of some of the rain bands, and that's what it's doing right now. But it's actually pretty nice out here, and yeah, it's spitting a little rain, but I kind of showed you maybe. Hard to see on this little puddle of water, but it's just barely spitting. It ain't much. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and cut that piece of plywood up. That's from our countertop install video. Basically, we need 2 pieces of upright, so those will be 1 foot wide, 2 feet high, and then a 1 foot wide and a 2 foot long. So it's just basically 3 feet, or 3 pieces of that rather. We'll cut that baby up and do our little thing. So we'll mark it out, we'll get back to you. Alright guys, so we've got our parts cut. We've got 3 boards like that size right there. Here's the second one. Got 3 of those boards. And then we've got our boards that we screw to hold them with. So we put holes in them already. The hole exact location is not very important, but I did want to pre-start those. And we're going to go ahead and put it together here on this here table, and then we're going to move it over to area over there. And well, of course, we'll have to move that stuff, but we'll move it over there, and then we're going to mount it into that table as well. So we'll catch up with you a little bit more. Maybe we'll set the camera here to the side, go into tripod mode here, and let y'all have a look at that.
No,
Okay, folks, we got it made. It's no work of art. We never intended it to be a work of art. It's just functional. Because all this stuff is going to get thrown away whenever I go off to the Philippines anyway, so it's not a big deal. So we just slapped it together basically, and 2 foot up, 2 foot across, and this is a 4 foot wide piece. And I had originally intended to put it like this, but I'm losing space over here and over here to put all my stuff, like for instance, this slow cooker. It's not going to fit like that. So I have to turn it, and I don't want to do it that way. So what I decided to do is I'm going to move it over here and put it at the edge. Do it like that. And that way we got room. And we can work it out like that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do it like that. We're going to fasten these down and make it as level and steady as we can. And then we'll show you that when we get done, when we get the stuff on it and all that good stuff. So hang in there. Alright guys, so we got the shelf tied down now. Just anchored it down here and down here, and then we'll wipe it off and restack our stuff, and that's about it. I had to wait a little bit for the drill to charge up, so finish it off. But there it is. Now we're going to go ahead also and put this non-slip up here on the top, just so things don't flip around like a slick on here. So that's what this is for. And that's going to be pretty much it. And then maybe we'll give a little bit of you know, once we get all this stuff put back, and then we'll just show that to you and then wrap it up. But anyways, I want you to like and share and comment, and most of all subscribe. Share it out to your friends and family if you like our videos, and let them see them too. So down below, comment. So we're back now. We got a lot of stuff put in here. Still got to put these 2 tiles right here, and that way it'll decorate the sides. Be something like this right here. I know you can't see that, but that's what it'll be. Like this. And of course, one on top. So that's until we'll get those on there, And that's it, folks. So that's it for this little project. It's not much, but it does help save me some more space. Because I brought all my kitchen stuff out of here so I could actually cook in the little kitchen I have. So that's it for now, folks. Thanks for looking in. Toodaloo, toodaloo.